Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can make your email clickable by adding a link. Alright, so when your visitors come and click on this link, this will open up a window so they can email me right away. So to do this, I'm just gonna go to Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other code editor of your choice. Alright, so here we see that we have my email just as a paragraph text. All right. So I'm just going to copy this email and I'm going to delete it. All right. So now you can just add a contact text like that, or just do like me, just add a icon with an envelope like this. All right. So I'm just going to remove this contact text like that. And what we want to have is a tag. So we're gonna add less than and a and greater than. All right, and just add a closing tag like this. So we have a normal a tag, and right here in the open tag we're gonna add the marker, and here we're gonna add href equal and double quotes. All right, so in here we're gonna add mail to colon, and now we're gonna add our email like that, simple as that. And now we want to add the text that will be shown on your website. In my case, I'm just gonna add the email so you can see my email visually as well. All right, so we're gonna save this, back to the website. And now we can see that now we have this email as a link. When I hover over it, we see that I now get this different cursor as a pointer. If I click on it, now we can see that this opens up a brand new email, and we can see that we have the email right here at the to section. All right. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my other videos. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.